Oh, boys and girls. Hey, sugar. All right. From the title of the video, you guys already know what I'm about to talk about. It is not clickbait. No matter how much I want it to be clickbait, I wish it wasn't. But the motorcycle is gone. It is stolen, and yeah, I don't know what else to say. It got stolen. I was literally riding around with my buddy. I was riding around with Joey a little bit until about 1 a.m. ish, and I got home. I parked the car, which is kind of stupid. I shouldn't. Okay. I feel like you shouldn't get a motorcycle unless you have like a garage or somewhere to put it in, because motorcycles are so easy to steal and they're so common and people steal them all the time. And you know, I should have been a little more careful obviously with the bike, but I just didn't take the extra precaution, and it led to what's happening right now. So yeah, the motorcycle got stolen. Like I said, Joey and I were riding around together a little bit, and I got home around maybe 1 o'clock and 1 o'clock a.m. And you know, I parked the bike where I usually park it, right in front of my car, so it's like the least visible on the street and stuff. And I wasn't tired, so I went to the gym. I've been working out. I've been working out a little bit with what's been going on in my life. It's been helping me a lot mentally and all that, but whatever, besides the point. I started working out, so I decided to go to the gym that same night, and I went around like 1:30 a.m. ish, and when I went to the gym, I usually passed by my car and my bike, and I saw it there, so I was like, cool, it's still there. On the way back, I was only at the gym for like 45 to 55 minutes. I don't take very long because I'm like in and out, like whoop, whoop. And I look, and it's gone, like poof. I was like, oh, that's interesting. I was like, that is very interesting. So in my mind, I'm like, obviously somebody stole it, and luckily I have a air tag on it, and I could see where it kind of is, and unfortunately it's in Mexico. So yeah, it's in Mexico, so it's gone. I can't get it back unless I go over there and get it back, but it's just such a big hassle to do, and you never know what kind of person has stole it. You never know if they're part of, you know, a gang or a cartel, so you don't want to deal with that stuff. So so I'm going through insurance right now, and yeah, it's just unfortunate because I had the bike for like maybe 2.5 weeks, and the fact that it's gone, it's kind of a bummer. And it kind of sucks, but you know, such is life. You know, things are always gonna happen, and okay. And like I said, things are always gonna happen in life. Life is always gonna throw you curveballs. Life is not very nice, and yeah. Life is rough, and I know that firsthand, that life does get very hard and brutal, but it does that to make you stronger as a person, and it all depends on how you take it, you know. I don't know if some of you guys have watched my last video, which you guys should, because this series was gonna be so much fun. Like, it was gonna be so good, and I promise you guys I'm gonna be on another bike sooner or later. I just have to go through insurance right now, and obviously file all the paperwork, blah 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 blah, get the claim done, blah 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 blah, wait till they tell me stuff, and then hopefully they'll give me enough money to get me on another bike. But for now, I can't get another one until that happens. So right now I'm just gonna be bikeless. But anyways, like I said, life is hard, and it does not give a single fuck about any of us, and that's what makes life so great sometimes. Because you know, if life was easy, anybody could do it. If You know, if we all never went through any hardships in life, we would all be the same person. If you guys didn't watch my last video, I'm going through a pretty rough patch right now in life. Going through a really bad breakup. That's been affecting me mentally, emotionally, just everything. And you know, getting on the bike, buying the bike was a really big pick-me-upper. You know, it got me out to do something, got me excited to be able to do something again. You know, and I was excited. I was really excited to ride the bike, and riding the bike really made me happy, and it almost gave me a purpose in life again. Unfortunately, it was taken away from me, and so I kind of lost that purpose. But regardless, you know, I could choose to be obviously sad and depressed about something like this, or I could choose to understand and acknowledge what's happening and not let me get more upset than I already am. And that's what and that's what I want to tell you guys, and that's what I want to show you guys. Like, you know, behind, sometimes when I'm just talking, whether the camera is on or off, you know, I'm only human, and I do have my bad days and I have my good days. I love to be transparent with you guys, and I love to show you guys my emotions, my feelings, when I'm sad, when I'm happy, to not only let you guys know that it's okay to be sad, it's okay to be happy, but it's never okay to be sad all the time, you know? Like I said, my girlfriend and I broke up. It's been affecting me pretty hard mentally, and you know, it's just hard. But I'm trying my best every day and choosing to not let it get to me every day, and try to just be better as a person. Unless you tell yourself that and you show yourself that you're gonna get better, you will. There'll come a point where that you just think the world is just on top of you, and there's all this weight on top of you, and it feels almost impossible to get everything off, right? And it feels like nothing is going good in life. Everything sucks and nothing is good. I can promise you that it does get better. From the beginning of when my girlfriend and I split up, I thought it was the end of the world. You know, I thought that how am I gonna get better from this? But after a few weeks, you know, you start getting up. You start getting up again, and you start figuring out who you really are again. And you can either choose to learn from that, or you can't, or you don't. And that's completely up to you guys. And I chose to try to be better. I chose to talk to my friends and family and be sad about it for a little bit and try to understand what's happening. And then after that, slowly try to accept what's happening. Hey, sugar. With the breakup going on, and on top of the motorcycle being stolen now, life is a little difficult, but I know that it's not gonna be hard forever. And as long as I could keep that in my mind, I know that I'll be okay. And I know that if you guys do that for yourself also, I know that you guys will be okay also, because I'm showing you guys firsthand. When life gets hard, it's okay. It's okay to be sad. It's okay, because we're just human. You know, we have these emotions, and it's okay to be sad. It's just not okay to be sad forever. There's got to be a point in your life where you just got to tell yourself it's enough and it's time to get up. And once you figure that out, it's going to be the hardest journey ever. Life is hard, and like I said, I know that very well. But it does get better, and stuff happens, and you're just gonna have to live with it, and you're just gonna say fuck it. There's just some things you can control in life, and there's some that you can't, and sugar. And you can either go on with life, or you could just stay stuck there. The choice is completely up to you guys, but I'm telling you right now, it's just better just to keep moving. keep moving as hard as you can, keep pushing as hard as you can every single day, and one day it'll get better. So that's what's going on right now. I feel really bad because I was so excited to start vlogging again and making videos for you guys. But life had other plans, so and that's okay. You know, that's okay. Setbacks are fine. You can only go up from here. So, but anyways, thank you guys all so much for watching. I will be back. As soon as I get another bike, I'm going to come back, and I'm going to come back even stronger. So thank you guys all so much for watching, and I know we're about to get started, and it's about to get so good! But such is life, so can't do anything about that. But thank you guys all so much for watching, and I will see you guys hopefully soon.